I feel very happy and I'm very happy when I got my first offer letter because after the graduation there is a 1 year gap and I'm not getting any offer letter from any companies. So when I get my first offer letter, like I'm very happy. First I called my parents, then thank to these friends. That
Welcome, Dharamveer. Thank you so much for joining in. And we will start with your introduction first. So, can you introduce yourself?
yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am. My name is Dharamveer Singh. I am from Bijnor. Recently, I completed my Bachelor of Technology from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Handicap, Kanpur. And recently, I joined as Guidance Solution as a vacant intern. And during my academics, I developed a strong interest in coding and programming language. So I began my learning with Java Full Stack, and I earned certification like Java Full Stack from Bytecode IT Solution and Java Bytecode training also from the AccuJob. And my core skills includes Core Java, JDBC, Servlet, SQL, and Spring Boot. Also, I had the opportunity to working on the several projects like online FIR system, a taxi booking backend application, a to-do application, a bookstore application, and a simple push application for front-end part. I'm very eager to learn the new technologies. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Dharamveer. So, like you mentioned, you come from electronics and communication background, right? So, how much coding is involved there? I'm pretty sure, as compared to a CS background student, you did not have that much exposure to coding, right? Then, how did you decide to join the coding stream?
Yes, ma'am. In the starting, like I always interested in the coding language, and when I'm in the second semester of my college, there is a subject called C language. So for then I have developed more interest in the coding. So and earlier also I started my journey as a coding for that's why I'm more interested in the coding.
Okay, understood. And after you completed your graduation, how many opportunities did you get from your college? Like, did you get core companies, or did you get any opportunity for the tech roles? How was it, the
Like
placements?
there are very less company for the tech roles in college campus. There are more companies for the sales and others. So there are no opportunities from the college for coding type on IT.
Okay, and then I guess you joined AccuJob, right, for one of our courses. So how did you
Yes.
get to know about AccuJob?
Like after my completed the bachelor's, I came Noida for job in IT industry. And when I came in Noida, my one friend also in the AccuJob, he tells me about the AccuJob, and I go to the office and ask for some and giving some offline drives also before taking the AccuJob course. So for this, I got to know about the AccuJob. Then I take the Java Full Stack course. After that, I completed my Java Full Stack in 5 to 6 months. Then I'm eligible for the interview, and I giving some interview. After 2-3 interviews, I'm selected as a backend intern in Guidance Solution Hyderabad.
Oh, that's wonderful. So before enrolling in courses of AccuJob, how many offline drives did you participate in?
Approx 3 to 4 drives I participated in offline drives.
Okay, and you were not able to clear any of those drives earlier?
Uh, Earlier, I cleared one of them for Akash Institute.
Okay, that's great. So, like after joining AccuJob, how was your experience? What was the best thing that you liked here? How was the entire faculty team here? Tell me something about that as well.
My experience was too good. It exceed my expectation. Like there are faculties from the very big companies, and they are their teaching styles is very different from others. They teach us to for every edge cases and their teaching methods are different from the others. So I love to I love to learn from these faculties also.
All right. And did you face any difficulty in understanding the curriculum? Like, let's assuming that you are from a non-tech background, was it difficult for you to catch up on the basics of coding, or was everything taught in a very easier way to you?
Like everything is taught in an easier way, and I'm already familiar with the coding languages. I'm not into the DSA, but I'm good in the development part. So it's easier for me to understand the things.
All right, understood. And then, did you participate in mock sessions? Did you take any mock interviews or your HR interviews here at AccioJob?
Yeah, ma'am. I take mock interviews and HR session also in AccioJob.
Was it helpful for you? Overall, was it
Yeah.
helpful?
Yeah, ma'am. It's very helpful for me. Like for HR interview, I'm stuck. I'm stuck always. So I take I take HR session from the AccioJob. It helps me a lot.
Got it. Got it. Now, once your entire course was completed, how much duration did it take for you to complete the course?
It's around 6 months.
6 months. Okay. And once that was done, you started appearing for our job drives, right?
Yes.
So were all of these the offline drives, or did you participate in online drives also, like the jobs that are there for our students?
Yeah, ma'am. I applied for both offline and online drive also because earlier I staying in the Noida, so I applying for both and for both online and offline drives also.
Okay. And how many opportunities did you get?
I get the offer letter from the Guyans only, but I get the opportunities for for interviews for many 5 to 6 companies.
5 to 6. That's nice. And one of them was Gayan Solutions, where you were able to get the placement, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, after you got the offer letter, how was the experience? Like, how did you feel after knowing that you did get the offer letter for a particular role? How did you feel?
Yeah. I feel very happy, and I'm very happy when I got my first offer letter, because after the graduation there is a 1 year gap and I'm not getting any offer letter from any any companies. So when I get my first offer letter, I'm very happy. I feel very happy that I got offer letter from a company.
Got it. So, did you thank your friend who referred you to one of our job drives? Did you thank him?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll thank him first. First I called my parents, then thank to these friends.
Got it. Perfect. It was a very nice story. So, anything that you would like to tell to your fellow students, you are still preparing for getting a job in the IT sector, or any message that you would like to give to them?
Yeah, ma'am. If anyone goes to the IT sector, that one thing is that there is a consistency. If you are doing the development, there is a consistency need. If you are doing the DSA, there is one thing, the consistency. If you break them, then you will start from the starting also. So don't break the consistent. Be consistent with your courses, with your tests, giving mocks regularly, giving tests regularly, participate in the mock interviews, HR interviews.
Got it. Thank you so much for that. And if you would like to summarize AccioJob in one line, how would you do that?
AccioJob is very good for me. It's it helps me a lot to get a job.
All right. Thank you so much, Dharamveer. It was great connecting with you, and thank you for sharing all your insights.